IICBIT 5.0, welcoming all of you to the wonderful session. Education is the most powerful weapon which you can use to change the world. Also, it provides stability in the life, and it's something that no one can ever take away from you. Every year, 11th November, National Education Day is observed to honor the birth anniversary of India's first Education Minister, Maulana Abul Kalam Azad sir. National Education Day was officially announced by MOE in 2008. As we know, Ministry of Education, MOE, Government of India, is making every possible effort to drive innovation and entrepreneurship to emerge as one of the focal points of our education system. Taking part in these initiatives, Institution Innovation Council, Bengal Institute of Technology, BIT 5.0, present today's poster presentation competition to celebrate National Education Day on the theme of changing course and transforming education. The theme is set in this year to highlight the urgent need of reform the Indian education system as per current requirements.
Companies, MNCs. So we Indians are very proud of that, and in the behalf of Azad sir, I want to tell that we should spread the awareness of literacy in the society. I have implemented a lab closing and seeing that with internet we can study much more farther and very in a fast way, a very different way, and in the aspects of education. And therefore, how to revolute education system and became India and help Indian youth to strongly compete the global competition.
Here you can see I have there is blue background, sky blue background, which indicates the color of the sky. So I think education is as vast as the sky. And next, the title is education going online. So we all know education is emerging field and fast in last few years, and I have used different mathematical and experimental tools from which I have tried to describe different stages of education. From pencil and eraser, I have
it depicts how we can just rely on the online education system, as because it is a very effective and a very as said, we can just access the online education from in the internet all of the world, not on the neighboring society.
About teaching, and this side you can see that I show classroom, online classroom, where a boy is taking class through online application such as Zoom, just such as we have less time to showcase our talents because of wastage of time traveling, and this side online.
This is the main absence of strategy to use the digital transforming education. So, but we must be aware what exactly education means. Now we are discussing about digital. The digital transformation education have advantages and disadvantages.
In 11th November, we celebrated that World National Education Day of India.
Inside, I have shown you the key points that is very important for education, like curriculum and assessment. Curriculum and assessment is a very important thing because by assessment we learn it is the formal education system. Technology, it is very important because by this we can learn various things like engineering and other scientific things. There are some
There is the network, you can see that mesh analysis, the mesh, the node points are connected.
Where it is on that. Okay, very good idea.
And
Wonderful. And what is that in the human's ear?
no, ma'am, that's not,
That
that's
is
actually a
what you
humanoid robot.
Ah.
Okay, so that is a robot basically made of two-colored circles that you can see. That's some type of function that we don't know about because I'm interested in maths and physics. This also shows us about why we need these things in our education systems. That is the sand. Sand.
Why did you use that?
It is good, ma'am, because in the rural areas,
So it has got advantages more
yes,
than.
ma'am, more than the disadvantages.
Okay, so you have put a smile.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, yes.
When you smile, you feel good.
Helps us to basically. No, sir, no, it's got it. Afford that, but in this and with the next part, blue one, there the teachers take on the role of a facilitator. Teacher and the learner role also. The teachers take on the role of a facilitator. Teachers encourages and motivates students.
It is made between school and the colleges. Here is the thing that one message is like a student who have given his life like around 12 years for studying in school and around 3 to 4 years to completing undergraduation and still is not able.
On the Education Day celebrations, I would thanks to all the participants as well as all the judges. Their meaning for that, or we are selecting 10 of that and 32 I think all together they can submit this poster. So I also give thanks all these students who submit all these posters. I also thanks to our President convener for presence and